Hello out there, Video Land. I'm at another part of the park that I was at. It's not Whetstone, but it's another park that's near the Ortengi River Road. It's this road out here is on Ortengi River. Bunch of residents back here, and 315 on the other side of the highway over there at 315. I'm at a baseball park. Yes, yesterday was the soccer park, and now it's the baseball park. And so, right now, I'm about to hook this thing up. I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm about to hook this up. Wait a minute. Hold on. I'm probably about to hook this up. This battery right here. Sometimes these things I found out they got a short in them. So it is what it is. And you see the lights on, the green lights on, and it's about to go. It has a little short in it. And how you do is you take the battery and you snug it in like this. Kind of push it in so it won't be falling out. Because what happens is that when this thing takes off, hold on. When this thing takes off, and it's kind of like a light windy day, and you just whatever. So you got to be aware of that. Also, you have to, with something like this, you just got to be careful because it got so much height. Watch out for cars, buildings, and things like that. Like an open field like this, it goes up and it goes this direction. If you could bring it down, in time, it could probably land over the woods and go over in that direction. That's what I'm gonna try to do, so it won't go in that direction, because that's where the road is at, and that's where a lot of your residents is at. And so I'm gonna give this a try to see where it goes. So it's kind of cool out here today. It's like in the I think in the 30s. I looked at the Weather Channel. It's about 20 something degrees. That's what it feels like out here. And also, it's a cold range direction. So over there, no matter how high it goes, as long as the airport is not like near an airport or anything, because there's an airport like just beyond that way. So that's kind of good. So it won't interfere with no airport traffic, because all the airport traffic is on the other side of that. Plus, you don't have no commercial buildings, and no one can't say anything or call the cops on you. Somebody be wondering what you doing out here with, just flying around on a little drone. And that way you can't get nobody on Privacy Act or anything like that. Well, anyway, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, because sometimes the mic is kind of low. But let me see how many minutes I got. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it out here right quick. seems like we could go someplace. So what you guys think of that? Hopefully it'll get some good video. Hopefully it'll get some good video of the shot. Because it has a camera on it. So hopefully it'll get some good video. Yeah, my box kind of fell down, so I'm trying to had stuff all in it. Had some stuff, so I don't want it to get too caught up. But yeah, that's what's about. Let me show you how close we are to the highway. You see out there, over there, they about to cut some trees, but that's 315. That's, remember, I don't know if anybody get a chance to saw the video where I was shooting on the other side of 315. Right, I was right down at another park, and it was at a soccer location. This is like a baseball field, but this is where I was at. But this is where the other place, and over there's another. Just beyond those trees over there is another baseball field, and guess what? That's where people practice their softball tournaments and things like that. So I hope. Then it's another part up above that, which is called Atrium Park, and they have a soccer field like this. I think I've had that on another video I had not too long ago, but that's where it's at. So this is, well, these batteries don't last too long. I went out and got these little dollar batteries. I'm putting these putting this camera, man. These things don't last too. They will suck up some power. Woo! They will suck up a lot of your video power. But anyway, but in the meantime, I'm gonna work on this and maybe get some aerial view. But I'm gonna go ahead and cause it's gonna probably fade out on me. But yeah, this is Ortegia River Road. It's like when you go to places, people want to know what you're doing. You know, you can't have no privacy when it comes to certain things. When it comes to a public park. All right then. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it go straight up. The lights still on? Yeah, the lights are still on. I gotta figure out what's going on with this thing. But yeah, it's